Wuoth njiri kata 100 meters ma Kenya nodhi nyime gi orako e boma ma Miramas e piny mar Ufaransa motelo ne wuoth mochomo Paris ne tuke mag Olympic. Boniface Mweresa ma en jang'wech kede mita 100 nyading'wen wacho ni gin e okenge mogik mag orako. Jo-Kenya go osebedo e boma ma Miramas kuom jumbe 2 kapok Olympic ochakore tarik 26 dweni.
Kimazoezi tu like tunapeana moyo. Leo unaweza kuwa kuna mwenye hajisikii kufanya, lakini tunapeana tu hiyo psyche, tusukume tumalizane naye, tu perform vizuri na turudi nyumbani mzuri. Yeah.
Our weakness now is the handling, like acceleration towards the takeovers. Receiving the baton we are okay, but now the acceleration part. So that's where those guys get that chance to open a gap. So we are really trying to work on it. At least when we get the baton, we can push, like, let's say the first 20 or 50 meters, so that those guys cannot leave us to chase them. We want also them to